Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Yes. Today we have lesson science, and we will take about the hot and cold. Yes. What means hot? Germa. What means cold? Germa. Yes. So look to here. Our hot. Our cold. Yeah. Ice, Pepsi, like water cold, orange juice, anything, ice cream. It is cold, yes? And here we have coffee, iron. Look to this. This is the hot water also. So now we have two groups. Our hot and cold. Our what? Hot. Yes? This group, it is hot things, and here we have cold things, yes? So one by one, you should to come and test which one is hot, which one is cold, yes? Mahan, our what, cold or hot? This hot. Mahan, our yes. Our touch. Hazlet, cold? Cold or hot? Cold, yes. This, cold, yes. This, water, hot, yes. Dance, Mahan. Thank you, Clever.